guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ipe Gunati from NK Tech Solutions, and today we are going to talk about how to create our first web page. Okay, now earlier on in our previous lesson, we looked at the HTML structure, HTML syntax, and then there we talked about the HTML doc type, the head, which comprises of the meta tags, the title tag, and then the link tags. And then we also talked about the body, where we have the tags, which includes the div tag, the h1 tags, we have the paragraph tag, we have the anchor tags, and we have numerous tags. Okay, and inside the body, we said the body is where all the information are going to show on the web browser are located. Okay, and after that, we talked about the code editors, where we have the Sublime, Notepad, Notepad++, we have the brackets, and we have a lot of them. Okay, and then I said I'll be using the VS Code editor because it's simple and it has a lot of extensions that we can use to format our codes. Okay, so if you have your VS Code ready, or you have your Notepad or Sublime ready, let's go and start building our first web page. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to create a folder. Let's go to the folder, and then let's create a folder here, new folder. Let's call it HTML tutorial for beginners. Okay, now you can do it in two ways. You can right click here and then open with VS Code. This is one option, or you can come to the search button, type VS Code, and then you open the VS Code. So let's go with this other option. Type in VS Code, and then you open the VS Code. Once that is done, you come to the Explorer here, and then you click on Open Folder. So let's locate our folder. It was inside programming. So it depends on where you added your folder. You can locate your folder and then you open your folder. Okay, all right, so the folder is now open. So the next thing is to create a new file. So if you come here, click on create new file, and then let's name it index.html. Notice I have .html here, so this is to indicate that this is an HTML file. So always use this for HTML file. Okay, then I enter. Now this is our new file. So let's start with the structure of the HTML. So remember, the first thing is to declare it as a document. So we have the doc type. Now the next thing is to add our HTML tag. Let's use English as the language. So you close it. So the next thing is to add the head. Now remember that inside the head we have some tags, and the first one is the meta tag. Which is the UTF-8, and this is a self-closing tag. And the next one is the title. Close it. And let's say the title should be my first web page. Okay, now let's go down to the body. So we have body. Now inside the body we have different tags. Okay, so we explained this in the lesson 2 of this tutorial, and we've explained all the tags that are going to be inside here. So let's add the heading tag, and the heading should be hello programmers. Okay, so that's okay. You can use any heading you want. Alright, so the next tag is, let's use a paragraph tag, a p tag. Okay, and inside this p tag, let's make a little statement like hello guys, I just created a simple web page. This is my first web page. Okay, now this is a simple web page. Okay, now to view this in our browser, let's come down to the extension here, click on extension, and then you type in Open Live Server. Once you type in the Open Live Server, you can install the Open Live Server. So for me, I've installed it, and then come back here, right click, and you can open this with the live server. So once you do that, it will open our web page on the browser. Okay, so we're using Chrome browser here. Now let's bring this up. Now if you look at this, you find out that here the title here is what is showing at the top here. Okay, and then we have the H1, hello programmers, which is the header you're seeing here, and then we have the paragraph, which is this one showing here as a paragraph. Okay, so this is our simple web page. All right, now in our next lesson we're going to be learning tags and attributes. Now with tags and attributes, we can add more tags, more information on our web page to make it look more complex. Okay, so if you want to get something like this, is by adding more tags to our website. Okay, so this is the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Okay, see you in the next one.